Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm Kane, your tour guide for today, and I'm thrilled to take you on this incredible journey through New York City. But before we start, let's have a head count, starting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, and we're complete. Hello, my dear tourists. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the city that never sleeps, New York City. This is one of the most exciting and diverse places on earth, filled with famous landmarks, rich history, and breathtaking views. Whether you're visiting for the first time or returning for another adventure, New York City always has something new to offer. Today, we're taking you on a journey through some of the most iconic spots in Manhattan. From dazzling lights of Times Square to the scenic view of Central Park, the towering Empire State Building, the lively Rockefeller Center, and the world-famous Statue of Liberty. But before we begin, here are a few quick safety reminders to make your trip smooth and enjoyable. First, stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like Times Square and Subway. Second, keep your belongings secure. Use zippered bags and be mindful of pickpockets. Third, only use official taxis, rideshares, or public transportation. Avoid unlicensed street officers. Fourth, New York moves fast. Always use crosswalks and obey traffic signals. And lastly, if you need help, look for uniformed staff or police officers stationed at major attractions. Now, let's dive into the magic of New York City. We are now here in the heartbeat of New York City. This is Times Square, the pulsing heart of Manhattan. Known for its massive digital billboards, Broadway theaters, and non-stop energy. It's one of the busiest pedestrian areas in the world. Did you know over 50 million visits to Times Square each year? It's also home of the famous New Year's Eve ball drop, where millions gather to count down to midnight. Pro tip, for the best view, head to the Red Steps at Duffy Square, a perfect spot for photos and taking in the view. Stop, Central Park, New York City Green Oasis. Just a few blocks away, we find Central Park, a 843-hectare green oasis in the heart of the city. This park is more than just a place to relax. It's home to Bethesda Fountain, Bow Bridge, strawberry fields, and even a castle. Fun fact, did you know that Central Park has been featured in over 350 films? It's one of the most filmed locations in the world. Whether you are renting a bike, taking a boat ride on the lake, or simply enjoying a picnic, Central Park is the perfect escape from the city hustle and bustle. And now, we are here in Empire State Building, a view like no other. Now, we're heading up, way up. The Empire State Building is one of the most iconic skyscrapers in the world. It's standing 1,454 feet tall. This legendary landmark offers one of the most panoramic views of New York City from the 86th floor observation deck. Pro tip, for fewer crowds and the most stunning lighting, visit at sunrise or after 10 p.m. when the city is beautifully lit. Fun fact, the Empire State Building was built in just 13 months. An impressive feat for the 1930s. Welcome to Rockefeller Center, where New York City comes to life. Next, we arrive at Rockefeller Center, a major entertainment and shopping hub in Midtown Manhattan. This plaza is famous for its ice skating rink, the NBC studios where Saturday Night Live is filmed, and the breathtaking top of the rock observation deck. Winter Magic. If you visit during the holidays, you see the iconic Rockefeller Christmas tree, one of New York City's most beloved traditions. View from the top. Unlike the Empire State Building, Top of the Rock offers view with Central Park on one side and the Empire State Building on the other. It's a must visit for photographers and skyline lovers. Alright folks, get your cameras ready because we're approaching one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Statue of Liberty. Towering at 305 feet tall, Lady Liberty has stood proudly in New York Harbor since 1886, a magnificent gift from France to symbolize freedom and democracy. Just imagine the millions of immigrants who after the difficult journeys caught their first glimpse of the statue, a beacon of hope welcoming them to a new life in America. If you listen closely, you might hear the waves of the harbor crashing against Liberty Island or the sound of a ferry horn in the distance, just as it would have been for arriving immigrants over a century ago. We have some time here for photos and exploration, maybe even visit inside the pedestal or up at the ground for a spectacular view, so take it all in. And let's appreciate this enduring symbol of freedom and opportunity. And that brings us to the end of our incredible New York tour. From towering skyscrapers to historic landmarks, we've explored the heart and soul of the Big Apple. I hope you enjoyed the sights, stories, and unforgettable moments that makes this city one of the greatest in the world. As we say goodbye, remember, New York is always changing, always alive, and always ready for your next adventure. So whether it's your first visit or one of many, there's always something new to discover. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and have a fantastic day.